We're trying to figure out if K is positive. So look at clue 1. K. If this is 0, there's -1, -2, and 1, 2, 3. So K is somewhere in between. Well, K might be -1 or K might be +1. So that doesn't work because you have choices there that are either negative or positive. Forget clue 1. Look at clue 2. K is in between 1 and 2. We're trying to figure out, is K positive? Well, if K is in between 1 and 2, it's got to be positive. It might be positive 1/3, positive 1/2, but all the numbers in here between 1 and 2 are positive. So clue 2 works. The answer is B.